guys, today we are going to be doing making slime.
You're making slime out of glue?
Yeah, glue.
Okay, tell me about the glue.
Don't spill it. This is clear glue. My dad just bought this today.
Okay, what else?
And then we don't have food coloring, so we just use paint.
Okay.
And we have a big bowl, a small bowl, 2 spoons, water, and baking soda. So you could follow along whenever we make this if you have all the items. You could use any bowl you want. You don't have to use the same. Just use a bowl that you have in your house. So let's get started. This is me. So first, we have to put the glue in by just taking the whole lid off. Oh, I love this part. Oh, I've never done anything like this before in my life. Wow, look at that in there. Get all the glue out. There's still more, there's like drips in there. It's stuck to the lid.
Let's wait a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. Put back the lid.
Alright, let's do that. Oh geez, there's dripping. It's dripping right here. Alright, let me just put the lid on anyways. We don't need this anymore.
Okay.
So now, next step was put water, right? Let's get a full spoon.
Just pour a little bit without using spoon.
Alright.
Just a little bit. That's good enough. Okay.
Now I need to mix.
And add your coloring.
Oh, yeah. I don't know if paint will work, but yeah, we're gonna try.
Can't put a lot. Alikati matra.
I'm gonna a little bit more.
Yeah, that's good.
Now let's stir it. It turning blue.
Make it smooth.
Oh, I love this blue. It's so bright. We got this blue one right here.
Mixed perfectly.
Yeah, it looks like it's already slime. But
Okay.
we have more ingredients.
Alright, what's next step?
So next step is put a full spoon of baking soda.
Okay, take the whole thing there. Deep.
Alright.
Maybe a little more.
Another full spoon. Okay, so let's put that. So
More.
we put the whole entire thing in here.
No, make a little bit more.
Alright.
Okay, that's good enough. Okay.
So now we put a lot more water than before.
Yes, that's enough. Mix it up.
Now we mix it. Whoa. Jump over with that. Let's just skip ahead right now. Alright, so we mix this up. Now we need to put a little bit, a full spoon inside of the slime. Alright, let's put that back in. Mix
Add
this
more.
up. Oh yeah. I need a lot more. One more.
Take more.
Like I don't know.
Not like that.
Yeah, let's do this.
Okay, now mix it up.
Whoa. So let's just wait until this is perfect slime.
Okay. Mixing up.
Go a lot faster.
Add more.
Oh, it smells bad. So whenever I mixed it up, it didn't quite work. It was just so liquid. My dad tried, it was still liquid. Then we watched other videos too, how to make it before we made this video. And then they said to microwave it, but my dad pretty much didn't even want that. So we just tried to microwave it and it actually worked. It's kind of solid.
Okay. There's some water. I think we need to filter out, right?
Yes. There's some water.
Okay. We added some salt, mix it up, and microwave.
I
Okay.
could see the water.
Okay. So the next step is filter the water, right?
Yes. So after he microwaved it, he filtered all the water out and put it on the plate. So this is how the slime looks like.
Okay.
This could be a fail, but I wish it's not because I haven't played slime for so long.
Okay. So you can you start kneading? Put it in your hand.
Oh
Slowly.
yeah, I don't feel like this is a fail.
Make it one. Yeah. Do like that.
Are those very liquidy? A little liquidy?
Yeah. Keep doing
It's
that.
wet.
And maybe. Yeah. You need to take extra water out. Doing that. Yeah.
Can I just take the water out?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Put it down there. Wash your hand with this paper.
How am I supposed to wash my hand with paper? Bro, you have to watch out where the slime just drops from.